3D printing is a process of creating physical objects from digital models. The technology allows for the creation of complex and intricate shapes, making it a valuable tool in a variety of industries, such as manufacturing, architecture, and medicine. So how does this printing technology work, and how has it been revolutionary? What is the latest technology in 3D printing, and how far do the developments go? Join us as we give a very interesting tour through the world of 3D printers in this video. The process of 3D printing begins with the creation of a digital model, which is typically done using computer-aided design CAD software. The model is then divided into thousands of thin layers, which are used to guide the printing process. There are several different types of 3D printing technologies, each with their own unique advantages and disadvantages. The most common types include fused deposition modeling, or FDM. This is the most popular type of 3D printing, and it works by heating a plastic filament and extruding it through a nozzle to build the object layer by layer. This technology is relatively inexpensive and easy to use, making it a popular choice for home use. Stereolithography, or SLA. This type of 3D printing uses a laser to cure a liquid resin, solidifying it into the desired shape. SLA produces highly detailed and accurate models, but it can be more expensive than FDM. Selective laser sintering, or SLS. This technology uses a laser to fuse together small particles of plastic, metal, or ceramic to create the object. SLS is often used to create highly durable and functional parts, such as those used in aerospace and automotive industries. Digital light processing, or DLP. This technology uses a projector to cure a liquid resin, solidifying it into the desired shape. DLP is similar to SLA, but it is faster and can create larger parts. Once the digital model is divided into layers, the 3D printer reads the data and begins to build the object. The process can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, depending on the complexity and size of the object. So what exactly is 3D printing technology? 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a technology that has revolutionized the way we think about manufacturing and production. With the advent of 3D printers, it is now possible to create complex and intricate objects with a level of precision and speed that was once unimaginable. The history of 3D printing can be traced back to the 1980s, when the first patents for the technology were filed. However, it wasn't until the 21st century that 3D printing truly began to take off. Advances in materials science and computer-aided design software have made it possible to print a wide variety of objects, from simple toys to complex aerospace parts. You might also be wondering, what are the advantages of this amazing technology? One of the most significant benefits of 3D printing is its ability to produce highly customized and complex objects. Traditional manufacturing methods, such as injection molding and CNC machining, can be limiting in their ability to create unique and intricate designs. With 3D printing, however, the possibilities are endless. Using CAD software, engineers and designers can create a digital model of an object and then use a 3D printer to bring that object to life. Another major advantage of 3D printing is its cost-effectiveness. Traditional manufacturing methods can be costly, especially for small-scale production runs or for creating one-of-a-kind prototypes. With 3D printing, however, the cost per unit decreases as the number of units produced increases. This makes it an ideal solution for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and hobbyists who want to create unique products without breaking the bank. 3D printing is also a greener, sustainable technology. It reduces waste by only using the exact amount of material needed to create the final product, thus reducing environmental impact. This can also lead to cost savings. 3D printing is also playing a major role in the medical field. It has allowed for the creation of customized prosthetics and implants that are tailored to the individual patient's needs. 3D printing has also been used to create models of organs, bones, and other body parts to help with surgical planning and training. In the future, 3D printing is expected to become even more prevalent and versatile with the development of new materials and printing techniques. Some experts predict that 3D printing will one day be used to construct entire buildings, while others believe that it will play a major role in the creation of new technologies such as self-driving cars and robots. Overall, the technology of 3D printing has brought about a new era of manufacturing and production, one that is more efficient, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. It has opened up new possibilities for businesses and individuals to create unique and customized products, and has the potential to change the way we think about manufacturing and production in the future. The revolutionization of 3D printing. 3D printing has revolutionized the way we think about manufacturing and product development. It allows for the rapid prototyping of new designs, and it has made it possible to create complex shapes and geometries that would be impossible to manufacture using traditional methods. Additionally, 3D printing has also been used in the medical field to create prosthetic limbs, dental implants, and even human tissue. So what more can we predict in the future of 3D printing technology? The range of materials that can be used for 3D printing has expanded, as well as the precision and speed at which objects can be printed. One of the most significant advantages of 3D printing is its ability to imitate a wide range of materials and textures. This includes plastics, metals, ceramics, and even food. For example, a 3D printed object can have the appearance and feel of wood, but be made of a plastic material. This allows for the creation of objects that have the same properties as the materials they are mimicking, but at a fraction of the cost. 3D printing also allows for the creation of complex shapes and structures that would be difficult or impossible to produce using traditional manufacturing methods. This can be seen in the medical field, where 3D printing is being used to create custom prosthetics, implants, and surgical tools. In aerospace, 3D printing is being used to create lightweight, highly engineered parts for aircrafts and spacecraft. The development of 3D printing technology is ongoing, and new advancements are being made all the time. For example, researchers are currently working on developing new materials that can be used for 3D printing, such as conductive materials that can be used for electronic components, and new methods for printing large-scale structures. Additionally, new software and algorithms are being developed to improve the precision and speed of the printing process. 3D printing has come a long way in terms of its ability to imitate a wide range of materials and textures, and it has proven to be a valuable tool in various industries, such as medical and aerospace. The technology is constantly advancing, and it is expected to play an even bigger role in the future of manufacturing and production. Advancements in 3D printing technology. The latest developments in 3D printing have brought about new possibilities in industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and architecture. One of the most significant advancements in 3D printing technology is the ability to print with multiple materials. Multi-material printing allows for the creation of more complex and functional objects, as different materials can be used for different parts of the object. This has opened up new possibilities in the manufacturing industry, as companies can now produce more advanced products using 3D printing. Another major development in 3D printing is the use of metal materials. Metal 3D printing has been around for a while, but recent advancements have made it more efficient and cost-effective. This has led to the creation of metal parts with high precision and strength, which are being used in industries such as aerospace and automotive. In healthcare, 3D printing is being used to create customized prosthetics and implants. By using patient-specific data, 3D printing can create prosthetics that are perfectly tailored to the patient's body, which can improve their comfort and functionality. Additionally, 3D printing is also being used to create patient-specific surgical models, which can help surgeons plan and practice complex procedures. 3D printing, a necessity in the future? This technology has been used in a wide range of industries, from manufacturing and construction to healthcare and aerospace. With the increasing popularity of 3D printing, the question arises as to whether or not we can continue without using this technology. On one hand, it can be argued that we could continue without 3D printing, as many industries have been able to function without it for decades. For example, traditional manufacturing methods such as injection molding and machining have been used to create a wide range of products, and these methods are still in use today. Additionally, many industries such as construction and healthcare have been able to function without the use of 3D printing. On the other hand, it can be argued that 3D printing has become an essential technology in many industries, and it would be difficult to continue without it. For example, in manufacturing, 3D printing has become an important tool for creating prototypes and producing small batches of products. In the aerospace industry, 3D printing has been used to create complex parts and structures that would be difficult or impossible to produce using traditional methods. Additionally, in the healthcare industry, 3D printing has been used to create prosthetics, implants, and other medical devices. Furthermore, 3D printing technology has also been used for research and education. For example, researchers have been using 3D printing for creating lab equipment and models for visualization purposes. This technology has also been used for creating educational materials such as models of atoms, molecules, and other complex structures. While it is possible to continue without 3D printing, it would be difficult to do so in many industries, where this technology has become an essential tool. The benefits of 3D printing, such as increased efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and the ability to create complex structures, make it an important technology that will continue to be used in the future. As technology continues to evolve, 3D printing will become more and more important, and it will be difficult to imagine a future without it. So what do you think about this versatile technology and its future? Let us know in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to smash the bell button to stay updated on all new videos.